The mission of Bolgatanga Technical University is to provide practical, career-focused education, research, and training, emphasizing hands-on skills and entrepreneurship. The university aims to be a premier institution for academic and professional excellence in teaching, learning, research, and community participation, utilizing contemporary technological tools to fulfill its objectives. The Aviation Industry Corporation of China workshop is located on the main campus in Sombrongo, adjacent to the administration building. The discipline presents several specializations, facilitating progress in contemporary technology. Consequently, the university launched the Automobile Engineering program in the 2020-2021 academic year to address the demands of both the region and the nation. The program is designed to equip graduates with the requisite knowledge and practical skills necessary for effectively managing tasks from machine and equipment design to management. AVIC Workshop operates under the School of Engineering and runs Bachelor of Technology, Higher National Diploma, and Diploma in 3 sections, namely Automotive Engineering, Plant Engineering, and Production Engineering. The workshop also offers the Motor Vehicle Technician program, that is the NVT Part 1, 2, and 3, and the Mechanical Engineering Technician program, NET Part 1, 2, and 3.
My name is Justin Nivor, a senior technician in the mechanical department. And this unit, we have a auto department, have the mechanical department, and then we have the welding department. So we have 3 units in one. So 3 in 1 as a full department. When students are able to complete here, they have a lot to do with their hands while waiting for the white-collar jobs, and which we mostly encourage them to focus on self-employment than the white-collar job. And most of them who have gone out here have tried their own hands on other industry, which because of the handiwork they have, not only the theoretical aspect, the practical has helped them to secure job. And some company also come in to get them to do industrial attachment with them because of the handwork they learn also. That is also one of the benefits that they are also getting. And they also serve the community. They come in here to also do private work for them. So it is also a benefit that we are getting, for we are helping the community as a whole.
The Aviation Industry Corporation of China workshop at Bolgatanga Technical University offers services such as vehicle diagnostics, engine overhauling, welding, spray painting, and electrical repairs. The workshop also provides commercial services to the public and private sectors. These services not only generate income, but also create opportunities for practical training and industry collaboration, and also provides hands-on training for students, equipping them with the practical skills for the automotive industry.
My name is Tombana Maika, a mechanical student at Bolgatanga Technical University. As a mechanical student in Bolgatanga Technical University, this workshop have helped me in coming out with a product that will help his farmers to willow their grains after harvesting.
The workshop will produce graduates with the requisite knowledge and practical skills that can effectively and efficiently perform a variety of tasks, starting from design to management of machines and equipment, and additionally perform supportive roles in other engineering disciplines. In addition to employment in industry, graduates of automobile engineering also work in government, management, consulting, and academic organizations.